Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious 7-layer Mexican dip, a perfect crowd pleaser for any gathering. We'll start by preparing the foundational layers. First, spread 2 cans of creamy refried beans evenly across your serving dish. Next, brown 1 pound of ground beef, season it well, and drain any excess fat. This savory beef layer will sit right on top of our bean base, setting the stage for the amazing flavors to come. Moving on, we'll add the cool and tangy layers. For the third layer, mix 1 1/2 cups of sour cream with a packet of taco seasoning, then spread it smoothly over the beef. Next, prepare fresh guacamole using 3 ripe avocados, mashed with lime juice and a pinch of salt. This vibrant green layer, our fourth, adds a rich, creamy texture and incredible flavor to the dip. Now for some fresh and zesty additions. Our fifth layer is 1 1/2 cups of your favorite chunky salsa, spread gently over the guacamole. Following that, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar or a Mexican cheese blend evenly across the salsa. Finally, for the 7th and last layer, scatter a 1/2 cup of sliced black olives over the cheese. These layers bring a wonderful combination of textures and tastes. To finish your magnificent 7-layer dip, add some colorful garnishes. Sprinkle fresh chopped cilantro and diced tomatoes over the top for a vibrant presentation. For the best flavor, chill your dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve this incredible dip with crispy tortilla chips or fresh vegetable sticks for a truly satisfying snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.